Hi everyone, thank you for joining me again today. We're gonna make another bracelet with the wire. This time we're gonna make a braided bracelet like we did last two times before. As you can see, they're both braided, but depending on where you place the beads, the design looks completely different. I'm gonna make this design again today, but using this is shell beads or mother of pearl beads. That is, I think they're called rice beads in terms of shape. I have 3 wires here again. This is 15 inches long. I don't know what I was thinking. I didn't cut longer like the last time. So I'm gonna make a smaller wrapped design this time. Let's see, I'm gonna go probably over this much. Make a loop with all 3 beads and then just wrap them around. Just a quick simple wrap. And then in terms of things you're going to need other than the wire and the beads, I have lobster claw clasp here. And depending on what size we end up with, I like to stay around 6.5 inches. If we don't make it to that point, I might add like an extender chain to extend the bracelet. Just tucking my ends here. I'm using a chain nose plier for that. This is a very easy, fun design, guys. I'm trying to get the edges flat so that it doesn't scrape anybody. So we might need to come back to that later, but let's get going here. Okay, so I'm gonna place my rice bead on the wire that's at the left side. I'm left-handed, so I always start things from the left side. And then bring the wire to the center. And then take the wire that's on the very right. Do the same thing. And bring it to the center. I am already liking the way this is looking. That's pretty much all you're doing until you get your desired length. It's just really simple design. If you know how to braid, you know how to make this bracelet. Once in a while, you might have to straighten your design out a little bit. Okay guys, I'm gonna keep going and then I'll see you once I have 6.5 inches long. Okay guys, so I went kind of all the way up to 7 inches and I do have quite a bit of my wires left. So I guess 15 inches would have worked out fine to make nice messy loop on the top here too. I guess because our beads were longer that it didn't take too much wire. So, but since we did the little just regular loop here, we're gonna do the same at the end as well. The only thing I did was the very end, the wire that has the last bead, which comes in the center, I'm gonna pull that out to my right side, make a quick wrap around so that the beads stay in one place, and then here is where I'm going to make a simple loop like we did on the other side. So we're gonna hold them all together. Make a nice big loop. with all 3 wires. And that's it. And I'm going to save this wire so that I can use it for something else. I'm going to tuck my wires in so that they don't scratch. And the other side. So I don't have to use any of these other things. And you do want to make sure that your loop is kind of facing straight, like you can see from the top. Just make sure that these, oh, you know what, since there's 3 of them, I want to make sure that my, otherwise we have to use a different clasp here. Okay, it does work. I might, let's see. Okay, I'm going to try to make a tiny little jump ring from this, because my jump ring is more like stainless steel color than the nice silver color that is like my wire and my clasp. So I have a nice head pin, and I'm going to see if I can just turn this into a jump ring. So far so good. I'm gonna put my jump ring through. I'm gonna take the clasp out. Guys, this is what our jump ring that we created looks like. I'm just gonna open this up a little bit. Okay, and then let's give it a try. And there you have it. I think I made it big enough to put it up like that too. A little bigger, let's see if it became 7.5 inches. Here you go, guys. That's it for today. Have a good day. Bye.